So, after staying in a hotel for almost 2 weeks, we finally moved into our own little place. Don't get me wrong, the hotel was really great. The people, the facilities, everything was really nice, but at some point you just miss having your own space. In the hotel, we basically had a room, and when you are also working from that room, it starts to feel really small. So it's nice to have a little bit more space to breathe right now. And the biggest thing for me is that we have a kitchen. Before, if we wanted to eat anything, we had to go out every single time. Now we can go to the supermarket, get our stuff, and actually cook here. That alone makes a huge difference. What I think will be better here is getting into a proper routine. When you're staying in a hotel, it kind of still feels like a vacation. And that sounds nice, but if you are actually trying to build something and get work done, it is not ideal. So hopefully this helps with that. We are staying in Pererenan, which is in the same area our hotel was in, and we like it here a lot. It is more relaxed and more quieter than the city center, and that just fits us better. We booked this place only for 2 weeks because honestly, we do not know if we want to stay in Canggu for the whole time. We also want to explore other parts of Bali and not just commit to the first place we landed. And I know that kind of goes against the whole routine thing I was just saying, but we're still figuring that part out. So yeah, if you are watching this and you have been to Bali and you have any suggestions on places we should check out, definitely let me know. So I want to talk about what I want to accomplish these 6 months because I don't want to just be here. I want to look back and feel that I actually accomplished something during my time here. My time here is going to be a mix of things, enjoying life, going on adventures, but also putting in work and building on my future. I have two main goals here, and the first one is setting up my business. That's the big one. I want to take my time here to research it, build it out, and see if this is something that I want to pursue for the long term. The second goal is building a healthy body. About 2 years ago, I started getting into fitness, and last year I started going to the gym consistently. I picked up kickboxing and I ran my first marathon, but my diet and routine were not that great, and because of that, I think I did not make as much progress as I think I could have. What I've noticed though is that when I feel good physically, it has a huge impact on my mental health and my energy. So during my time here, I want to get into a proper routine. Going to the gym every day and eating healthy and building that dream body that I always wanted. And outside of those two things, I just want to enjoy life. Meet new people, try new things, and just enjoy my time here. What I think will be most difficult is finding the right balance, because I know that if I only focus on building my business, I will forget to enjoy my time here. But if I enjoy my time here too much, I will not accomplish what I set out to do here. Oh yeah, and one last thing. Last year, I started making content, and I'm still learning a lot, and talking in front of a camera still feels a bit weird to me, but what I do know is that I enjoy making content. Now that I have a little bit more time on my hands, I want to commit to it properly. Post a YouTube video every week and post consistently on my socials. So if you are not already, subscribe and follow me on my socials to stay up to date with all the adventures.